so high, I did not recognize the fire burning in her eyes, the chaos that controlled my mind. Whispered goodbye as she got on a plane, never to return again, but always in my heart. Oh, this love has taken its toll on me. She said goodbye too many times before, and her heart is breaking in front of me, and I had no choice, 'cause I won't say goodbye anymore. Oh, 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 oh. I tried my best to feed her appetite, keep her coming every night, so hard to keep her satisfied. Oh, keep playing love like it was just a game, pretending to feel the same, then turn around and leave again. But oh, this love has taken its toll on me. She said goodbye too many times before, and her heart is breaking in front of me, and I had no choice, 'cause I won't say goodbye anymore. Oh, 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 oh. I'll fix these broken things, repair your broken wings, and make sure everything's alright. My pressure on your hips, I'm sinking my fingertips, every inch of you, because I know that's what you want me to do. This love has taken its toll on me. She said goodbye too many times before, and her heart is breaking in front of me, and I had no choice, 'cause I won't say goodbye anymore. This love has taken its toll on me. She said goodbye too many times before, and her heart is breaking in front of me, and I had no choice, 'cause I won't say goodbye anymore. No, no, I won't say goodbye anymore.
Kamusta?
In case you haven't noticed, well, everybody's tired.
Yung nakasama mo nung nakaraan sa patigil sa live, ang bastos na
Or
mabigyan.
something we don't see just right.
Dapat hindi ka pumapasok sa mga ganong live.
lipstick on. No one can tell. Come on and walk
Kilala ko
this
ba
way
yun?
through the fire. Tell you what's on my mind. You find yourself in a dark situation, just turn on your light and be loud. Yes, and say that shit with your chest.
Yes, kapatid. Yung napasukan mo na live nung nakaraan, nung napapasok ako sa'yo. Yung dalawang babae.
Say that shit with your chest. Keep moving
Di
like
ba
what's
mga yun?
next? Yes,
Dapat di ka pumapasok sa mga
done
ganun.
with caring what you think. No, I'm
Madadamay ka sa ano nila.
underneath
Ang bastos ng bebe.
projection.
Kababang ang tao.
I change my most authentic life.
Tapos yung mga
Boy,
actor,
come on, put your lipstick on.
parang hindi sila
Come on and walk this way through the fire. And if you find yourself in a dark situation, just turn on your light and be
napadaan ka.
loud. Yes,
Alam mo yun, yung ano,
say that shit with your
yung
chest.
attitude, the attitude,
And be your own fucking
hindi
best
siya okay.
friend.
The way nila mag-approach ng tao, nagtatry ako mag-live sa hindi ako
Yes,
maalam.
and yeah.
Okay lang yun, kahit hindi ka pa maalam, matututo ka din. Pero pag nakita mo na ganun yung mga napapasukan mong live, wag ka nang wag mo nang ano, kumbaga, wag ka na masyadong tumagal kasi it's not good para sa account mo. Ang bastos kasi ng mga bibig, kababaeng tao, parang walang mga good manners and right conduct.
Why do you care so much?
Hindi ko gusto yung
I ride.
ewan ko, depende, iba-iba. Pero,
Say that shit with your
hindi maganda yung ano nila.
Be your own fucking
Ang ano, sobrang bad influence nila sa mga viewers.
Say that shit with your chest.
Tapos the way nilang mag-approach sa mga kasama nila sa live. Ang ano nila,
Say that shit with your chest.
basta mag-ingat ka sa mga
Be your own
ganun.
fucking best friend.
Diba?
Say that shit
Yung
with your
ginagawa nilang ganun, yung mga dirty things na ginagawa pa nila. Tapos yung mga pagsasalita nila ng words nila. Huwag kang mag-a-up sa mga pag nakakita mo na gano'n na sila, mag-down ka na. Kasi,
Somebody say
hindi
they
siya
saw
maganda.
you. The person you were
Ang babae,
kissing
sa totoo lang, hindi ko naman sa nilalahat.
And
Pero
I would
syempre,
never